Hi everyone, this is Celia. I'm sorry I forget to use my microphone, so I will speak on the video. So the meal of today it's pasta with pesto. For this meal you need 1 zucchini, basilic, cheese, burrata cheese, lemon, 1 garlic and pasta. It's better to use spaghetti, it's better. And of course pistachio, I think it's pistachio in English, and 1 onion. So in first we will cut the onion and the zucchini, and at the same moment we will cook the pasta. So I'm looking for a pan. So we will cook the pasta. I think I don't need to say how we make pasta. You know that. So now we cut the zucchini. We will peel 1 bend on 2, because if you peel all the zucchini it will be I think it's limp in English, you see. So it's better to do like this. It's my advice. And now we will cut fine slice, small slice, like this, because if it's too big it will be very long for cooking, you know. Same thing for the onion. Okay, so now we will cook the zucchini and the onion. I will add another zucchini because I make the lunch for 3 people today, but I will write the ingredients in the description for 2 persons. If you are 3, you can just add 1 zucchini and more pistachio. So we can cook the pasta, and we will finish pasta and legumes at the same moment. So it's 8 minutes right now. You can 9 or 10 if you like when it's limp. And another advice, don't forget to mix every time. So now we will make the pesto sauce. So I peel 1 garlic. I press 1 lemon, the half of a lemon. I keep the rest of the lemon for make a lemonade. So you can do like me. We add the basilic. Okay, like this. Just the leaves. No, not the leaves, the shit, I think. I don't know. You understand what I mean. And you add 3 big spoons of olive oil and 1 big spoon of water. Personally, I take the water of the pasta. And now we can mix it. So we cut the pistachio. Not too small, okay? Just like the half of the pistachio. Now we add the pasta to the legumes, the zucchini and the onion, and we will mix. And we will add the pesto sauce and we will mix again. So for finish, I add the half of the cheese, the burrata cheese, Italian cheese, and the pistachio, like this. Thank you for watching my video and tell me if you like this meal. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my social media. Thank you. Bye.